TRUSSTAPP, fastener for light gauge steel. Specially engineered for fixing into light gauge steel, it offers easy installation and strong pull-out performance. Featuring Harpoon Thread, it uses a special 38 degrees upward angled thread design for better grip in thin steel sheets. Unlike standard threads, it clamps tighter and enhances pull-out resistance. Underhead serrations bite into the material surface to lock the screw head in place, reducing loosening from vibration and slippage. This improves joint reliability, especially in LGSF applications. We also offer trilobular-shaped LGSF screws, designed with a 3-lobe thread profile that drives more smoothly with less torque and reduces material deformation. Combined with fine threads, this design creates a tight, self-locking fit that helps prevent loosening over time. TRUSSTAPP offers an innovative solution for securing lightweight steel structures.